In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can slow down a video here on your iPhone. Say you recorded a video and you don't want it playing at normal speed, or you want to slow down just a part of it. There's two easy ways to do this, and I'm going to show you both. Before we do dive into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now there's two methods. One is on your Photos app, so go ahead and open up that Photos app and find whatever video you want to edit. This method works perfectly if the video was recorded at 60 frames per second, but essentially what you're going to want to do is tap edit down in the very bottom or up in the top right, and from here what you're going to want to do is find the little like adjust section, and from here you could just scroll to the left just a little bit and slow the video down to 50%. At the bottom, that's where you're going to see the slider that'll allow you to go ahead and choose what part of the video you want to go ahead and slow down, so just keep that in mind. But you can also adjust it right here as well on the screen. That being said, if you don't see the speed option, no worries, you're going to want to use method number 2, which is going to be through a free app called CapCut. I already have CapCut installed, but you can install it for free on the App Store. Once you do get in here, go ahead and find that video again by selecting new video and scrolling down until you see that video. Once you do find that video, go ahead and import it, and once it's on a screen that looks something like this, what you're going to want to do is just select the video, and then you're going to see down in the very bottom a speed option. Go ahead and select that and find normal, and go ahead and just take it down all the way to whatever you'd like. If you wanted at half speed, put it on 0.5. Hit this little checkbox and then hit play, and you'll see it is now going to be in slow-mo. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and hit export up in the top right, and it'll go ahead and save it to your camera roll. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.